let's get one that's open first. Okay, so we got a little ball. This is Kansas City. It's got a face on it. It's got the logo, and there's a hole. Dada popped open it.
I stepped it for him.
See, it's got a body and stuff. You talk.
So when you open the helmet, you see the little body inside. See the body? Mm-hmm. And then you close the helmet up on the body to make a football character.
Whoa! What do you
that?
think? Now it's
put the
a
football character down, and then you have a mini football player.
Let me see.
Whoa.
Right?
Turn
Now,
it around.
We can open all of them up.
now we have a bunch.
Oh my!
Relax, guys, relax.
Some of them have plastic around them. Some of them have plastics. So you have to open up the plastic.
Now you can put this one together. Johnny, put this
I
one
got the plastic one.
Johnny, why don't you try to put this one
I got
together?
a green one.
You see? Here.
I got a green one with practice.
Do you know how to put that one together? No, you have to put his head.
Oh.
Let me help you.
Okay.
So you see
I popped it open.
He needs help.
Okay.
Look, Johnny boy, let me show you.
Look, you got the Steelers.
Okay.
You don't put his head on. You can
see
the hole.
The piece? You put the body on here. Look.
Look.
Look, Johnny. And then you close it.
And you get a mini football player. It's like a puzzle. Oh, here's a double one. Ooh.
Teammate. You mean his teammate?
His
Wait a second. His teammate.
He has a teammate?
What?
You sure? Take another look again.
Oh, that's an orange teammate.
That's an orange one. You're right.
Wait,
There's two
I
different
think
colors.
this is his dad, so he wants to be with him. After we collect all of them, let's take their bodies off and race them down the track.
Sure. Why not? This must be...
They can fit, actually.
Who had the purple?
Wait. Oh, there it goes.
The ball does. I don't know if the body will.
No, only the head. I did it.
Yeah, high five. Woo!
I did that thing.
Got a whole team going now.
Yeah. I did it.
Good job, Jose. High five.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
And I got another one.
All right. Wow, look at these football players.
Mommy,
We
I
should
got to
quiz
see.
Dada.
Mommy, look, I made the other one for you.
Ooh, 2 pirates. Nice.
These are all mine.
I think you guys can share them both, right? You
Yeah.
can work together.
Here guys, have some of mine.
You can
You have
share.
these 2 tigers. And mommy, I got the last one.
Do you think Dada knows all his teams?
I mean, he watched a lot of football.
He does watch a lot of football.
Because you love football.
Dada loves sports.
And after I name all the teams, you have to show me which one of those is Dada's favorite team.
Ooh.
And after we do that, we're going to race them down this track.
Have a seat. Oh, Mr. Incredible. No.
What's Mr. Incredible doing there?
Ah! The body
Ready?
fell.
Wait, put that one together, Jose.
Oh, we're waiting on Jose to put that one together.
Okay, Johnny, put that down.
All right, let's test Dada.
First, we're going to start on this blue one.
We're going to start on this blue one. This one right here. Who's this, Dada?
Those are the Tennessee Titans.
Woo!
Oh,
Good job.
They said Titans.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, we're going to put this one over
Put it
here.
over
Okay.
here, put it in a row.
Okay.
Okay, now this one.
Then it's this one.
That one,
What's this?
those are the Baltimore Ravens. Here,
Ooh.
there's 3 of those. 1, 2,
Ooh,
3.
there's 3 of the Baltimore Ravens.
Look at that. All together. The whole little crew.
Wow. They got 3
And
versus
2
1.
And 2 got purple shirts and 1 got a blue.
Oh, that means we probably put the wrong shirt on. I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, Johnny. Your turn. Pick one. Which one you want to show
I
Dada?
want
This one? Okay,
That one?
so who's this,
Ooh.
Dada?
Those are the Cincinnati Bengals.
Ooh, the Bengals.
I am going.
Go ahead, Jose. Which one?
The
No, Johnny.
Pirates.
Okay, so
These are two
Who's this?
pirates.
That team is the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
ooh, Buccaneers. So there's two Buccaneers.
Johnny.
Okay, Johnny, pick one and show Dada. Which one? Which one? Oh. Who's this, Dada?
That is the New York Jets,
New
which
York-
is Dada's favorite team.
Yay!
So now we have no win. Remember that because we're gonna ask you the question at the end.
Yep.
Yeah,
Go ahead, Jose. Your turn. Pick one.
I picked these two.
No, those two are not the same.
I might. Oh, I might.
So you gotta pick one.
The same. There we go.
So Dada, which one is this?
Those are the Pittsburgh Steelers.
It's the Steelers.
It's
Wow,
right,
got
right.
the wrong jersey.
Yeah.
Yeah, my day.
Jose was opening
My
all
day,
of
my
them
day.
without putting them
My
together.
day.
Yep, your turn.
Go,
Pick
Johnny.
one. Ooh.
Ooh.
Who is this, Dada?
Those are the Buffalo Bills.
Ooh, Buffalo Bills. Mommy got it. All right, Jose, pick one. Ooh, winning.
Mine.
You're picking this, so what's this?
That team is
Here you go.
the
You have one.
Jacksonville Jaguars.
Ooh,
It's not over here,
Jacksonville
Johnny.
Jaguars.
Hey.
Okay, Johnny, you get to pick one. Calm down, there's more.
No, you put them all down.
I got them. Mine.
They
You
both have 3-3.
You pick, Johnny, you could pick any three. Jose, so stop hogging them.
Which one you want, Johnny?
Pick one. Pick one, Johnny. Any three. You could pick it over here. You could pick it from over there.
You want that one, Johnny?
Johnny, what's this one?
That is the Kansas City Chiefs.
Ooh, good job, Dada.
Very cool.
Jose?
My favorite colors. I changed my favorite color to orange, so I'm gonna pick orange.
All
Ooh,
right.
Who's that? Let me see.
Those are
Close-up look.
Johnny killed it.
the Cleveland Browns.
See you guys.
Is
The
it
Cleveland Browns.
Yes, that's why it has a brown
Jersey.
shirt. Jersey. All right, Johnny, come on.
Fine.
Pick one.
I have to get my
That
magic
one?
one.
This one?
No, they spin
Look
it.
at this one, guys. What's this one?
That's the Arizona Cardinals.
Woo!
Mama.
Okay, Jose, pick one.
That one?
I don't want that one, actually.
That one. Oh, right. That's a cool one.
Ooh,
That
so-
team is the Indianapolis Colts.
Mine.
Yeah, the Colts.
And
Johnny, the last one, Johnny.
I knew that.
Who's this? Let's show it. Show the
I
camera.
knew that, Dada.
No, you gotta really. Here.
That
Who's
is
this?
the Miami Dolphins.
Ooh, Miami. Show it. Let's see it.
Whoa.
You up close?
Those are
What's
the
this one?
Philadelphia Eagles.
Ooh. All right. Do you remember the question?
It is this one.
What's the question?
What's the question?
I don't remember the name.
No, I didn't
No,
say
the
the name. What was
question.
the question?
Listen.
Which one of those teams is Dada's favorite team?
What's that?
And the
again?
answer is
The New
Yeah.
York.
Jets.
Cool. Let me see.
Oh!
Stop, Jose.
They're so little.
Yeah, this one.
Which one is
These are
This
like
goes with
tiny
this.
LOLs for
Fix
boys.
this one.
So they're not gonna go all the way down, Mommy?
Why not?
Because
It's fixed, right?
it can look right here. Look right here. That's where the ball's gonna stop.
I think it's gonna stop before that.
Johnny! Why does he keep on turning?
Because
Look.
someone turned it.
Look. Look at it.
I'm looking. I'm looking.
It's going.
And it stopped right there.
It has to go even more.
It's probably because it's so big.
Yeah, look, it gets stuck.
Did you try to put one down with the body?
No. Yes, I did.
You
But
did?
it just stopped.
It just stopped.
And it gets stuck there. Because the tracks is like big, a little too big.
They're all gonna get stuck at the bottom of that pot. At that one area.
Oh my god! I know.
Maybe I'll go around and
Look
see.
at the other ones. Oh my god.
You don't have to put all of them.
That
There's some on the floor. Wow. And now, what do you call this?
Now we're gonna do this now. We're gonna
this
take
circle?
them and we're gonna put them back up.
Oh, okay. So this never ends, huh? It keeps going and going?
Yes!
Oh.
Something's happening here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh.
Whoa, it's out of control. It's out of control. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. They're all over the floor now.